Hello. I'm here to do a review of this Curad Performance Series wrist support. And this fits either the right or left hand. It's for mild sprains or strains. Right here, I have it on my wrist here. I do have carpal tunnel in my left hand, so sometimes if I've been on the computer too long or doing too much activity that is certain movements with my hand, it can cause some inflammation, some discomfort. So got this nice daytime wrist support. It does pretty good. I can use my keyboard just fine with it, so it doesn't hinder movement. It does have a brace, a metal brace bar in there, which can be adjusted per the shape of your hand and size and whatever. But yeah, I would recommend this. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. But I would say that this has been a really good product, and I would recommend it to others who are in need of some wrist support. If you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not tried this before, let me know if you ever are in need of wrist support. Do you ever have any wrist issues? Do you ever find yourself wishing you had a little bit of support in your wrist for specific activities? Let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.